shrink a huge video file without making it look blurry? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to compress your videos with Handbrake while keeping the quality almost identical. Before we begin, let's see how much space we can save. Here's my original video. When I hover over it, you can see it's 150 kilobytes. By the end of this tutorial, we'll compare it with the compressed version so you can see the difference for yourself. Now launch Handbrake. If you're compressing multiple videos, you can use the folder option. For this example, we're compressing just one video. So click File. Then select the video you want to compress. Finally, click Open. Handbrake will skin your video automatically. Now, let's optimize the settings. In the top left corner, click Preset. Next, scroll down. Open the Professional category. Then select Production Max. This gives us a great starting point. At the top, under Summary, make sure the format is set to MP4. It's the most compatible format and works on almost every device. Now click the Video tab. For Video Encoder, leave it on X264. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can choose the NVENC encoder instead. It'll usually finish much faster. For frame rate, leave it on Same as Source. Then make sure Constant Frame Rate is selected. This is the most important setting. Look for the quality slider. If you move it too far to the left, your file gets smaller, but the video quality drops. If you move it too far to the right, the quality stays perfect, but the file stays large. The sweet spot is usually between 18 and 25 RF. For this example, I'm using 24 RF. This gives us a much smaller file while still keeping excellent quality. If you plan to compress videos often, you can save these settings. At the top, click Save New Preset. Give it any name you like. Then click Add. Now you can reuse these settings anytime with one click. Next, look toward the bottom of the window. Beside Save As, click Browse. Choose where you want to save the compressed video. Give it a file name. Then click Save. Everything is ready. Now click Start Encode at the top. If you're compressing several videos, you can add them to the queue first. Otherwise, just start the encode. You can watch the progress in the bottom left corner. When it's finished, you'll see queue finished. Let's compare both files. The original video was 150 kilobytes. The compressed version is only 44 kilobytes. That's more than a 70% reduction while keeping nearly the same video quality. You'll save storage space, upload videos much faster, and transfer files more easily. If this tutorial helped you shrink your video without ruining the quality, subscribe for more quick editing tips, video tools, and creator tutorials. That's it. You've successfully compressed your video using Handbrake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.